Hi, welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to learn how to remove background of any images. So you can see here is my one image and I want to remove this background. Why can I remove that? For that, I will go to one website, free website, and that is remove busy. Go to remove busy, and in the first right corner, you can see the remove background from image for free. Click here and just upload that image in this website. So this is my photo I want to upload, and I'll click here open, and within a second this will remove my background. So you can see here the background is removed. So simply I will download here, clicking here. I am going to save this, and here we go. You can see the background is removed, and you can see the difference. This spot we have changed this to this. So in this way you can easily remove background using this free website. I hope this video helps you. Please subscribe to my channel to get more daily updates. Thank you.